Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Infiniti Pro by Conair. It's the 3-in-1 styling hair dryer. My wife's hair dryer was recently kind of going on the blink, and I told her, I said, why don't you get one with some different attachments just in case I need to use the hair dryer. So she did. All right, let me work on giving you some close-ups of this hair dryer so you can see exactly what this product's going to look like in case you purchase one for yourself. The hot temp, warm, and the cool temp, they all three work as I expected they would on this dryer. So this looks like a quality dryer, feels good, everything works great. I love the attachments. So if you're looking at this Conair Infiniti Pro, I hope you found my video helpful.